Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create double exposure effects in Capcut Mobile. So here you can start by launch the Capcut applications on your device, and then just tap on new project and use a white background. So here I'm going to just use one from the Capcut library, the white background. This one's right here. You can click on add, and now you can just copy this. So there are two of it. Just tap on duplicate, and now you can click on overlay and add the object that you want to create. It's a double exposure effects. You can just find any videos or photos that you want. I'm going to choose one from CapCut library again. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can adjust its size, and then here you can go to the remove a background options and just remove the background of the overlay. Okay, so once the background has been removed, you can tap on the check icon and then go to adjust on the overlay. In here, find adjust, this one, and you can follow the settings. So lower the brightness and also contrast. I'm going to lower it to around negative 17, sorry, and the contrast around the same. Saturation a negative 12, and in here you can click on the check icon. Now you can click on add overlay again and choose the second footage that you want as the double exposure. So I'm going to find one under the scenery options in here. Let's just find a video. Let's try to use this one. You can click on the videos that you want as the double exposure effect. Now you can adjust the position like this. For example, you can go to splice and choose overlay. Okay, you can just find the right positions that you want. You can adjust the intensity, but I'm going to just go with 100. Now this will be the result. If you want to, you can also adjust the coloring of the second overlay to make it more obvious. Like the first one, you can adjust the brightness and contrast, saturations, and everything. Once you finish, you can click on a check icon and you are done. So this is the double exposure effect. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.